Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record loan in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Books in the left panel, click on Accountant, then click on Manual Journals. From here, create a new journal by clicking on the New button. Start by filling out details starting with the date. Enter the date when you received the loan. Also add mandatory fields such as notes, choose reporting method and currency. Then in this section is where we're going to record loan. First, we're going to choose an account, which is our bank account or in wherever you receive the loan. Add in description, contact, transaction type, and tax if applicable. Then next in the debit section, enter the loan amount. And next, add a new account, which is the loan payable. Add in description, contact, transaction type, and tax if applicable. And this time, we're going to put the same amount on credits. Then once done, head over and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!